we are back after it again today. We're out here doing a little trout fishing, hopefully getting into a few. It's going to probably be one of my last few fishing trips of the year. It is late August, so the shift has begun as deer season for Virginia here soon approaches. But as of today, we are going to do a little bit of trout fishing, hopefully get into a few. So y'all stay tuned, check out this video. Oh, got one. Oh, he's in that fast water.
Oh, crap.
Oh, there we go. He's laying over there in that fast water there. The little rainbow. Decent size. I believe he's eater size. Get him taken care of here. Alright guys, well there's his rainbow I just caught. He's probably about a 10, 11 incher. Good eating size, which is what we're looking for today. Trying to get stocked up for the winter here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, he let it go. It's hard to catch him in that fast water. I had him hooked good though. Just not good enough, I guess. Alright guys, well, I just seen my first hellbender here at the creek. He's probably about 12 inches long. I know they get a lot bigger than that, but pretty cool. Never seen one before. Just kind of grab it behind its front legs there.
I'm gonna try to like poke it and make it like go into my neck. You know what I mean? Oh, got him.
Holy crap.
Look at this thing.
It's like a giant salamander.
It is a salamander, ain't it?
Yeah. Here, get it with your hand. I don't think they bite.
I don't know. I'll stick like a stick in front of me.
That's definitely worth the trip right there. That's so cool. Alright, there he goes. Pretty cool. I've always heard about them being in here, people seeing them, but that's the first time I've ever seen one. Oh, well, I just pulled a tiger right out of this stuff right here in front of me. Wasn't even expecting it. It came out of that thick stuff quick. He's borderline. We may keep him. Yeah, he's pretty small. I guess we'll let him go. Well, he's kind of thick. He's probably about 8 inches. He's definitely a legal fish. I think we let him go. Pretty fish though. There it goes. Old tiger. Here we go. Oh, another little old tiger. Thing's long and skinny. Look at that thing. Weird looking. Not big though, so we're going to turn him loose. Oh. There he goes. That's the third one I've caught today that wasn't keeper size, but he's swimming away. Oh, that's a sinking mud. Alright guys, well, you're going to think I'm crazy, but this is a completely different hellbender. It's probably about a mile up the creek. This one's a little bit bigger.
Oh, I see him. Grab him.
This one's probably about 15 inches long. That one's a little more skittish than that other one was. Trying to go up under that rock. Oh, there he goes. Here we go. Hey, that's a nice little brown. That's my trout slam for the day. Oh, he's hooked weird. I'll have to get him taken care of, but that's definitely keeper size. I'll get him off the hook and get y'all a better look here. Alright guys, well, there's the brown I just caught. It's probably about a 10, 11 incher. Good eating size, about what we're looking for.
I'm never going to lose this lure, am I? Holy crap. That's a big one.
You got him?
Holy crap. Did you see? That one was about...
They were fighting over it. Heck yeah.
That's a 3-pounder at least.
That ain't no 3-pounder, but that's a decent one there. So I'm gonna try. Well, we'll probably keep him for sure. So we'll get him on the stringer here. All right, guys. Well, here's the one I just caught. He's definitely a chunk. Biggest one of the day for sure. He's probably a 2-pounder. Probably about 15 inches long. Big old healthy brown. Pretty big compared to the other one. Nice fish though. Should get some good fillets out of it. Alright guys, well, that's going to wrap up this fishing trip today. We had a pretty decent day. I think we ended up having 4 keepers, and I caught 2 or 3 others, and they just wouldn't quite keep in size, so we let them go. But caught that nice brown. The coolest thing about today's trip though was the spotting of the Hellbenders. I'd never seen those before, or caught any for that matter, so that was pretty cool. I will say the only lure that I used all day was this little handmade lure that I got right here, this little spinner. So it did the job. Got us a few fish. But anyways guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you would, just do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that like button, also subscribe, and just get ready for some more videos. We're going to be switching over to doing some deer hunting here soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.